We had a fire. As a property owner, those words are the stuff nightmares are made of. As my investment burned to a crisp and the first responders flooded what was left of it, the weight of the repercussions came crashing down on my shoulders. We reached out to Goldstar Restoration. With a single call, a stressful burden whizzed off my shoulders and onto the knowledgeable and skilled Goldstar team. Best decision ever. With over a decade of experience, Goldstar is the leader in the damage restoration industry, serving commercial clients all over the United States from our locations in 6 different states. Goldstar takes pride in the stellar service they provide. Fire damage, flood damage, mold remediation, biohazard, and drug house cleanup. It's all in a day's work at Goldstar. Goldstar restores more than just your property. They restore your peace of mind.